Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk about how to get your free FICO score and report for free, especially this year. All right. So we know that the year is just getting started, and one of the best options is going to be going through Experian.com. All right. So now, of course, we know that the three major credit bureaus are going to be TransUnion, Equifax, and of course, Experian. All right. All of them offer some type of packages, memberships, subscriptions, even some free stuff as well. But of course, you want to make sure that you're getting the best that's available, right? So let's go ahead and start with Experian. So for those who don't know, Experian has been buying out a lot of companies. I won't say competition, but a lot of things that people didn't pay too much attention to. For example, freecreditscore.com. I mean, the domain name itself, pretty much gives everything away. And because people have always been looking to try to see, if they can get a free credit score. So Experian bought them out long time ago, probably 2 years ago. I'm just going off memory here. But either way, and they took, instead of just giving people a score, they essentially now give them a free FICO score. It's a FICO score model 8, still used today, in various forms of lending. When you're looking to get an apartment, there's even some car dealerships that still look at the FICO score 8. So there's a lot of different, value, I would say reasons and values as well that Experian puts behind this particular product that they have. So that's the best option that's available. I know what you're thinking. Well, can I just go to Equifax? I'm sure they have something as well. They do, but you got to know that it's the exact same score model as Credit Karma, Credit Sesame. If you have Capital One, that's the Vantage 3.0 model. So don't buy the name. You have to know what their score algorithm that they're using. It's nothing against Vantage 3.0. As a matter of fact, Vantage 4.0, that still hasn't come out yet. That was supposed to come out years ago. Either way, this was supposed to be the #1 competition to FICO. So far, that's not going as well as planned. But I'm saying that to say, just because you go to Equifax.com and you get whatever plans they have available, do understand they do not offer a FICO score with majority of their plans, okay? Especially for free, all right? So that's Equifax. Next, you have TransUnion, the exact same thing. They have subscriptions, memberships, all that type of stuff. I believe they have a free product as well, but all of their plans do not come with a free FICO score and report, okay? Only Experian does that. And now you can go through Experian.com or you can go to freecreditscore.com, and of course that's going to come with Experian Boost. So Equifax still has not yet come out with their boosting system, as well as TransUnion. Of course, with COVID and everything, everyone's talking about getting boost, right? I'm just kidding. That was a horrible joke. But either way, but either way, of course, with the Experian Boost, they're pretty much, killing the competition. You don't get a tremendous amount of points, but something is better than nothing at all. You know what I mean? And so some points is better than nothing. And not only that, but you're seeing your FICO score. And it updates with daily, you only get daily alerts, obviously, if there's something that happens. But you also are notified if there's something that's negative that happens as well. Okay? So again, not promoting necessarily Experian, just doing the research for you to make sure you go into this year with the right expectations and you already know what's out there and available. And Experian.com or freecreditscore.com, which is owned by Experian, are going to be the best options to get your free FICO score and report this year. All right. So thank you all so much. If you like this video, like it. Don't be greedy. Share this video. All right. Because again, you want people to make sure that everyone around you has this information. And of course, be sure to subscribe as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.